Firstly, just look at the glow. Look how glowy my skin is, right? Hey guys, this is Akansha and today I'm going to tell you about a brand that actually helped me in making my skin better. You know, I was also doing all this skincare and stuff, but still I wasn't happy with my skin. It looked dull and tired, and that's when I discovered this. This is India's first laurik shots for skin and hair. And now you will be like, what the hell is this? Okay, so it's our world's first laurik shots for skin and hair, and these shots are made from coconuts. Okay, so these are coconut shots, and we all know how beneficial coconuts are, and the company uses lauric acid from the from good quality coconuts, and along with 26 potent ingredients like kiwi, whey protein, walnuts, ginseng roots, and whatnot to give. You can see here on the box, these are the other protein ingredients that they have used to make this skin short, and this is really good. Okay, so this product is free from sugar, from sodium, from chemicals. Okay, and this is literally, these shots are really going to give you that plump and youthful looking skin. Okay, and this is also free from preservatives. These are soya free, these are gluten free. What else do you want? And the best thing that I found, I have been using it for like more than 12 or 13 days. Okay, it's been 12 or 13 days because I think I have left just 1 and 2 shots. Yeah, there are just 2 shots left, and it came with 15 shots, and that costed me rupees 499. That is for 500 rupees. Okay, and now these 2 shots are left, and I have left this just for the sake of the video. Okay, so I am using this. I have already shown you the clip how my skin is glowing. Okay, and these, the best thing that this company offers, this brand offers, is that they have claimed that if you use their shots for like 3 months continuously, and if you don't see any result, they will give you a full refund. What else do you want, right? And they provide various other shots like skin shots, hair shots, anti-aging shots, collagen boosting shots. Okay, and you can choose from it what kind of shots you want. You can get it customized for yourself, and there are so many flavors available, that is chocolate, coffee, and vanilla, I guess, and I have chosen the chocolate one because I love chocolates. So yeah, these, like, I am really shocked by what the brand commits, and to be very honest, I really wanted to try this product because it had really good ingredients in it, and I am seeing results. Okay, now coming to the part how you want to use it. You can like eat it directly, just tear it up, put it in your hand and eat it, or just mix it in your beverages, or you can just sprinkle it on your oats or something, on your salads, etc. So you can eat it in either way, and this is going to be great. And the thing is, it's also plastic free. Okay, these are just paper, these are paper sachets, and this is also made from cardboard box, so it is also a cardboard box, so they are also free from any plastic, which is good. So all I'm saying is that if you can afford a 500 rupees serum or a skincare product, any sort of skincare product, then you should definitely invest at least 500 rupees on this product, because you get 15 sachets. Okay, and within 15 days you will definitely see some results, and then you can make your mind whether you want to continue it with it or not. Okay, it's that simple, and for me it has actually worked, and that's why I am promoting this product to you, because I have used it and I have already shared the clip of my face right now. It feels nourished, it feels moisturized, and it is glowing from inside. So that's why I'm also suggesting this to you. So if you want to try this product, I'll give a discount code in the description box. You will get some discount on the product, and I would definitely ask you to buy it and try it for yourself, because see, skincare, I know skincare is important, I also do skincare, but eating right, getting all those vitamins, minerals that your skin requires, that your body requires, is also essential. 90% of what we eat contributes to our skin and hair, so you should, at least in my opinion, try something like this that would provide those vitamins, minerals, and would help you to get that glowing skin. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, tata, bye bye.